Is the future of computing at the edge? NEXCOM says yes at Embedded World North America 2025. Imagine a world where AI isn't confined to massive data centers, but lives right where the action is, in factories, on robots, and even in your car. That's the promise of edge computing, and NEXCOM is gearing up to showcase how they're unleashing the ingenuity of SD edge computing at Embedded World North America 2025. Their booth, number 6015, at the Anaheim Convention Center from November 4th to 6th, will be a deep dive into software-defined edge, SD edge applications, focusing on two key areas: AIoT solutions and AI computing. But here's where it gets controversial. Is moving AI to the edge truly secure and reliable enough for sensitive applications? NEXCOM is betting that it is, and they're ready to prove it. AIoT solutions: smarter, safer, and more automated industries. NEXCOM's AIoT solutions are all about empowering businesses with a new wave of intelligence at the edge, making operations smarter, safer, and more automated. Let's take a closer look. Smart manufacturing. The star of the show here is the NISE3000 C30, a cutting-edge AI computing platform. Think of it as a super-powered brain for your factory floor. It combines a CPU, GPU, and NPU neural processing unit to handle real-time data processing, AI or ML model inference, and machine vision, all crucial for optimizing manufacturing processes. For example, imagine a system that can instantly identify defects on a production line, leading to faster and more efficient quality control. And this is the part most people miss. The NISE3000 C30 isn't just powerful hardware, it's designed to be incredibly easy to use. When combined with NEXCOM, their IoT and AI software suite, it allows you to create customized automation workflows with intuitive drag-and-drop functionality. This means you don't need to be a coding expert to build sophisticated, automated systems. Plus, with broad protocol support, it seamlessly connects diverse field equipment into a unified AIoT system. No more islands of automation, everything works together. Safety robots. Robots are becoming more sophisticated, and NEXCOM is at the forefront of this revolution with the MARS400 T10, a humanoid robot controller. This powerful controller integrates dual EtherCAT master capabilities into the NVIDIA Jetson Thor platform, enabling advanced robotics innovation that incorporates precise movement, computer vision, and generative AI. This means robots can perform more complex tasks, interact more naturally with humans, and adapt to changing environments. The MARS400 T10 modularly integrates AI computing, motion, robot control, and NEXCOM's in-house designed functional safety system, ESC210, into a single robot control platform. It complies with international functional safety standards EN 61508 and EN ISO 13849-1, crucial for ensuring the safety of human workers around robots. OT security. Operational technology OT systems, like those used in factories and power plants, are increasingly vulnerable to cyber attacks. NEXCOM's OT security platform, built on ESAF P2000, integrates AI into OT cybersecurity operations. It interprets complex rules, provides recommendations, and guides actions for more resilient networks. This is critical for preventing disruptions and protecting critical infrastructure. The platform can even analyze external threat intelligence to help teams respond rapidly to attacks. The solution is ideal for smart factories, substations, or water/wastewater treatment facilities. AI computing. Bringing intelligence closer to you. NEXCOM's AI computing solutions focus on bringing AI processing power closer to where it's needed, enabling faster response times and greater data privacy. On-premise GPT. Data privacy is a major concern in the age of AI. NEXCOM's AIX is an on-premises Gen AI platform developed for prioritizing data privacy, while shifting computing from cloud to edge and reducing the risk of data leakage. With its RAG retrieval augmented generation capabilities, AIX leverages enterprise-specific knowledge bases to deliver accurate and reliable responses. This means you can have the power of a generative pre-trained transformer, GPT model, without sending your sensitive data to the cloud. Due to its support for multiple mainstream models and an intuitive GPT interface, the solution is ideal for healthcare, education, finance, and manufacturing. Rugged mobility. Edge computing isn't just for stationary environments. NEXCOM's edge computing solutions offer IP67 rated protection for durable and efficient performance in harsh railway and in-vehicle environments. This enables AI applications such as advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, automatic number plate recognition, ANPR, and intelligent transportation systems, ITS. The booth will feature the ATC3561 and A4C, a telematics computer accelerated by NVIDIA Jetson Orin Nano for enhanced AI performance. Smart City. Smart cities rely on data from various sources to improve efficiency and quality of life. The NDIS B562 fanless computer will be on display showcasing its wide range of PCIe expansion cards, such as discrete graphics cards for AI-driven AOI, fiber NICs for networking, capture cards for streaming and surveillance, or I/O cards for extended connectivity. NEXCOM's AI edge computers leverage Intel Core CPUs or NVIDIA GPUs for use in surveillance video analytics and LLM-based customer services. Imagine a city where traffic lights automatically adjust to real-time traffic conditions, or where public safety is enhanced by AI-powered surveillance systems. Want to learn more? For more information, visit https://event.nexcom.com/nexcom-in-embedded-world-north-america-2025 https://event.nexcom.com/nexcom-in-embedded-world-north-america-2025. To secure your free ticket to Embedded World North America, click here https://www.preorg.net/2025/UNA https://www.preorg.net/2025/UNA and use promo code OpenZ25. A word from the author. Chad Cox, production editor at Embedded Computing Design, focuses on news, newsletters, social media, and advertising. He holds a BA in Cultural and Analytical Literature from the University of Cincinnati. More from Chad. https://embeddedcomputing.com/authors/chad%sign20cox https://embeddedcomputing.com/authors/chad%sign20cox. Now it's your turn. Do you believe that edge computing is the future of AI? What are the biggest challenges and opportunities you see in this field? And most importantly, are you convinced that the benefits of edge computing outweigh the potential security risks? Share your thoughts in the comments below.